What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for the coolant additive on this 2013 Ford F250. A lot of times these trucks, you'll get a message on the dash saying check coolant additive. This is what it is. This is the test strips. I'll show you how to do it. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, so we want to check the coolant system. We want to check the pH. What we're getting is the coolant additive light keeps coming on. So we're going to test the coolant. Take the radiator cap off or the coolant reservoir cap off and make sure it's cool when you're doing this with the test strip. Now I can't reach way down in there because the coolant's further down, so I'm just going to use some long needle nose pliers. I'm just going to dunk it into the coolant, pull it out. Just like testing a pool, just let it sit for a minute. You're going to want to read the directions on the test strips, but it looks pretty good. Okay, then we can come up to the bottle and see, and the pH is not where we want to be. We want to be more in the green. Some of the others levels aren't very good either. So we're going to add this coolant additive. This is going to prevent some corrosion and any type of buildup of any bad material in the coolant system. It's good to check your coolant pH every once in a while. And for this system, we're going to add the whole bottle. You're going to want to check the directions on the additive that you have. And check your coolant level too, because if your coolant level is very high, you're going to want to remove some of the coolant, but our system is a little bit low. I actually have to add a little bit more coolant. Once you add the coolant additive, you're going to want to drive it around for a while so that it cycles through the system, and then it's a good idea to recheck it and then adjust accordingly. If you need to get another bottle, add another bottle, or if you need to add some coolant, add some coolant. So we're going to scroll down with the arrows on the left side of the steering wheel down to settings. Click on settings. We'll go to vehicle. Click on vehicle. Scroll down to maintenance. Click OK. Coolant. Now we're going to hold the OK button because we checked our coolant and we're good. Now we're good to go. We can back out of there. Now when we shut our vehicle off, go to start it, that coolant light should not be on anymore. And we're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.